Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is just a quick video. Now, to thank all of you for the amazing support over the last 2 years, I made this freebie for you. So on the 5th of September 2023, I completed the 365-day daily design challenge for the second year in a row. So I was on daily design 730 of designing straight every single day, which is crazy if you think about it. But to thank all of you, I have this CRT free PSD template that you can use and you can download on my Gumroad. I'll leave the link in the description down below. And now I'll just quickly show you how it works and how you can use it. So you're going to open up the PSD file and you can right away delete the first layer. This is just the text I placed on top. So you can just go ahead and remove that. Next we have a textures folder. There's a plastic one, a grainy one, a scan texture as well. Next up is a folder named change colors here. You're going to just open up that and you can click on the hue and saturation adjustment and just drag the slider left or right and you can change the color as easy as that. You can also change the saturation, lightness, and there's also a curves adjustment. This is just to make it a little brighter, so you can just go ahead and tweak these two sliders if you want. The overlay effects are what actually kind of makes the effect work, so I wouldn't touch these. There's a vignette effect, there's some scan lines. Now let's zoom in so you guys can see better. There's the RGB screen effect. That's what kind of gives it this CRT text effect. So I wouldn't touch those. Anyways, they're locked so you don't accidentally move them around or do anything weird with them. And now for the text part, you can just double click on this layer and text is fully editable. So let's write MVX. All you have to do is just close the window. It'll ask you if you want to save your settings. You're going to press save. And when you go back to your original file, your text has changed. That's pretty much it. You can also change the background color if you want. Now this is almost a blackish color, but you can go with whatever color you prefer. I would suggest you staying with a darker tone, but you can obviously do whatever you want. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys will enjoy this file and tag me in whatever it is you create with it. I want to see. My @ is always the same. It's the same on YouTube, same on Instagram, TikTok, and all that good stuff. So the link is in the description. Also, comment down below. Let me know what you think, if you like it, if you don't like it, if you'd like more templates or anything. Thanks so much for watching again, and thank you for the support over the past 2 years. It's been amazing, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!